Unlock your car's potential. Easy home maintenance guide. Tired of expensive mechanic bills? Want to keep your car running smoothly for years to come? You've come to the right place. This video will guide you through essential car maintenance tasks you can easily do at home, saving you money and extending your vehicle's life. Maintaining your car at home offers several key advantages. First and foremost, it can save you a significant amount of money on labor costs. Performing simple maintenance tasks yourself can also extend the lifespan of your vehicle. Regular care prevents small issues from becoming major, costly repairs. Many routine maintenance tasks are surprisingly manageable for the average car owner. With the right tools and a little guidance, you can confidently tackle these jobs. However, it's crucial to recognize your limits. Complex repairs requiring specialized knowledge or equipment should always be entrusted to qualified professionals. Before you start any maintenance, you'll need the right tools. Safety is paramount, so a jack and jack stands are essential for lifting your car securely. A lug wrench is necessary for removing and tightening wheel nuts. A basic socket and wrench set will cover most of the fasteners you'll encounter. Screwdrivers, both Phillips and flathead, are indispensable for various tasks. Pliers are useful for gripping, bending, and cutting. A funnel will help you pour fluids without spills. A tire pressure gauge is crucial for maintaining proper tire inflation. You'll also need essential fluids like motor oil, coolant, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Make sure to use the correct type for your vehicle. An oil filter, air filter, and cabin filter are necessary for regular replacements. Spark plugs are also important for engine performance. Don't forget cleaning supplies to keep your car looking its best. Finally, always wear gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself. One of the most important maintenance tasks is changing your oil. Regular oil changes keep your engine running smoothly and prevent wear. Change your oil and filter regularly, typically every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Consult your owner's manual for the correct oil type and filter for your vehicle. Proper tire care is also essential for safety and fuel efficiency. Check your tire pressure monthly to ensure optimal performance. Inflate your tires to the recommended PSI, which can usually be found on a sticker in your door jamb. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles to promote even wear. Inspect your tires regularly for signs of wear and tear, such as cracks or bulges. Replace your tires when the tread depth is too low. Regularly check and top off essential fluids. This includes coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Look for any signs of leaks and address them promptly to prevent further damage. Low fluid levels can indicate a problem that needs attention. Replace your air filter and cabin air filter as recommended in your owner's manual. Clean filters ensure optimal engine performance and clean cabin air. Filters keep harmful particles out of your engine and the air you breathe. Replacing them is a simple and effective way to maintain your car. Maintain your battery by cleaning the terminals of any corrosion. Use a wire brush and a baking soda solution to remove buildup. Ensure your battery is securely mounted to prevent damage from vibration. A loose battery can cause electrical problems. Wash and wax your car regularly to protect the paint from the elements. This helps maintain its appearance and prevent rust. Regular washing and waxing will keep your car looking its best for years to come. It also protects the paint from sun damage and other environmental factors. Always work on a level surface to prevent your car from rolling. Use jack stands when lifting your car to provide stable support. Never, ever work under a car that is only supported by a jack. This is extremely dangerous and can result in serious injury. Disconnect the negative battery terminal before performing any electrical work. This prevents accidental shocks and damage to your electrical system. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands. These simple precautions can prevent injuries. Your owner's manual is a valuable resource for information about your car. It contains important maintenance schedules and specifications. Online resources like YouTube and car forums offer a wealth of instructions and advice. These can be incredibly helpful for learning new skills. Start with simple tasks and gradually build your skills and confidence. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Maintaining your car at home saves you money on labor costs. It also gives you a better understanding of how your vehicle works. Performing your own maintenance can be incredibly satisfying. It's a great way to take pride in your car and keep it running smoothly. By following these tips, you can keep your car running smoothly for years to come. Regular maintenance is the key to a long and reliable vehicle life. Ready to take control of your car's health and save money? Start by grabbing your owner's manual and identifying a simple task like checking your tire pressure or topping off your windshield washer fluid. Then head over to your local auto parts store to gather the necessary supplies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful car maintenance tips and tricks. And if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Let's keep our cars running smoothly together.